Alright, so part 2 of the video. This is the pot pie. I was wrong on the time to begin with. It was more like 45 minutes is what it took to cook. But it's at 170 degrees temperature internal, so we're going to let it sit for about 5-10 minutes just to rest, and then we'll cut her open.
Here it goes, guys. Yum, yum, yum. It's yummy for the tummy. Oh, no, no. Okay, you're going to slice in the middle.
Yeah.
And get some. Ooh, it's still hot. Hot, hot, hot. Okay, that is for you. Transfer.
Alright, well let Mika have that. Let her try it.
Okay, Mika.
You ready to eat?
Oh, wait.
Oh, the potato, I think.
And that is hot.
As a side note, that's what I forgot to add was potatoes, and potato and that starch would have helped thicken this up a little bit more.
That's pretty good.
Oh, it's really good. Oh, thank you, Mika. I'm just gonna cut it.
Hey, Mom, you're getting
Oh my
good
God.